And yesterday's project is to put a new fence down this side of the house. It's 600 feet, I think. We did have hot wire. You see the insulators on that post. There was five strands of this high tensile wire we used for hot wire. So yesterday we took most of the hot wire out, measured and set all these 7-foot T-posts. We'll start hanging the wire and stretching it. And then these trees were planted too close to the fence line, so we're having to carve a little bit on the tree so that we can set the fence down in, keep it closer so it's not flying way up in the air or things can run underneath it. And then our fence professional is down here prepping the end of the wire so he can tie it on the post. So this is the end where we finished this run. And you can see a few ups and downs in the fence where we had to go over those 3 trees down there. But now, going this way, the trees are even bigger. So we'll have fun, but we'll get it done. We're laying out the wire, but because of this situation with the trees and the complication with the fence line, sometimes on the wood posts the wire goes on one side and sometimes it goes on the other. So that time it will go on the near side of me, and this, no, on the far side of that wood post, and the near side on this wood post. And he is making the joint between the 2 rolls of wire now.